the experience, so nobody can find it. So we're gonna do dark at first. So we're gonna find out if it can float or not. I need help. So can somebody open this, please?
Okay.
If it doesn't explode, Nana give me ice cream for the whole day.
Do you see that?
Oh no!
Baby, you want to put one? Okay, can you give it to baby also? Baby, come this side. Okay, can you give one to baby? You want to try? Okay, give it to baby. Put it there. Like that. Yes, give it to baby. Give it to baby. Oh, baby. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Oh, fancy.
Let's do this.
No. Mhm. No, I think all the gas is gone, I guess.
Since it's exploded.
No, I think that's it. I think it's not gonna explode now. See, there's nothing is forming. So that's okay, that's it.
You win.
Yeah, I win. Now I'm gonna tell Jasmine one thing that she's gonna do.